This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kelly Rodano. Ready for immediate occupancy by you, its second owners. As soon as you enter, you will appreciate the comfortably sized rooms, oversized laundry room which includes 2 pantry closets, a spacious tiled Florida room that allows for all-season usage, extends the living area, and allows natural light/views to be enjoyed. The extended-length garage provides ample storage for functionality. A concrete-floored shed in the fully enclosed privacy-fenced backyard appeals to the masses, and low-maintenance landscaping completes this move-in ready package. This home includes hurricane shutters and all appliances. Prime central location for everyday convenience, great schools nearby, shops, entertainment and restaurants. The beach is only a 13-minute drive. Airports: Melbourne 10 minutes away, Orlando 1 hour away, West Palm Beach 1 hour 38 minutes. Can't wait for you to see this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Rodano at 321-308-0378.